We've had a ton of questions about one of our products, Manicure Clear in a jar. Stephanie's gonna show you exactly how to use it, what to do with it right now.
All right, guys, today we're gonna go over a quick product description. We get a lot of questions about our Manicure in a Pot gel. What is it? What is it used for? How can it be used? We're gonna go over all that right now. Okay, so our Manicure in a Pot gel, it is still considered a soft gel. So what does that mean? That means that it can be soaked off. Whereas our Synergy gel line is actually a hard gel. So oftentimes this is compared to Synergy gel base or Synergy gel flex. Are they the same? What are the differences? The difference is that Manicure in a Pot is a soft gel and Synergy gels are hard gels. So since this is a soft gel, it's basically just a tad thicker version of our Manicure gel polish base. So one purpose for the Manicure in a Pot gel would be if I had a customer who was getting gel polish on her natural nails, but she wanted just a little bit more of a durable base, a little bit more thickness there so she can grow her natural nails a little longer. So if that were the case, we would go through and prep her natural nail just as you would for a gel polish application, push back her cuticles, get your electric file with a medium sanding band or a diamond bit and just go around and clean up the cuticle area, lightly prep the natural nail bed, get rid of any of that shine and all those oils. Grab my manicure brush with some swipe and brush down the nail bed, getting rid of all the dust and debris and pulling all of that out of the growth channels. I'm gonna take my protein bond and apply a nice even amount from cuticle to free edge. And I'm gonna grab my Manicure in a Pot. Now this is a brush on gel, so I'm gonna grab my gel brush and pick this up and apply it just as you would the Synergy gel line. We're just gonna brush this into the natural nail plate. And now it's gonna give her just a little bit more of a durable wear than a basic gel polish. This is something that I would upcharge for if I was working on a client because she's gonna be able to tell the difference between just your basic gel polish base and this slightly thicker base gel. So after you've applied the Manicure in a Pot as your base layer, you're gonna go ahead and go in the light for 60 seconds. So one thing that I found very useful for Manicure in a Pot was, I think we've all came across at one point or another, if a client is missing an actual nail plate, whether it's their natural or whether it's their fingernails or their toenails. I had one client in particular who was missing a toenail, so we would construct a nail out of the Manicure in a Pot gel. That worked better for me than say Synergy gel or an acrylic, because since she was in running shoes all the time, she was kind of constantly jamming her toes. And the Manicure in a Pot is a soft gel, so it's still flexible. So it had a little bit of a give to it, whereas an acrylic or a hard gel tends to just kind of pop off in one piece. This one was able to hold up for a little bit longer. So that's my personal experience with it. Try it out, see if it works for you. One other thing that I used to use my Manicure in a Pot gel for was if I needed to mix a glitter real quick, I would just slice some of that out of the jar onto my tile, just like we do with our Synergy gel line. Pour some glitter in. The Manicure in a Pot gel is a very thin viscosity, so it's actually great for mixing glitters or pigments into your gel. So just like we do with our Synergy gel, we're gonna pat that in, making sure to not be too aggressive, creating air bubbles. And then we're just gonna go ahead and fold that in. So again, since it's a soft gel, this is just gonna be something we're using for our artwork. This isn't necessarily something we're gonna be building the strength and structure of the design of the nail with. This would just be something to use for your artwork. So once you have your desired glitter mix, you're gonna use your gel brush to apply, get the design that you're looking for, and then cure it in the light for 60 seconds. After it comes out, it'll be a very thin gel layer and you can just top coat from there. So these are some of the things that I found useful to use Manicue in a Pot gel. I hope this clears up any questions you guys had, and let us know in the comments below if you guys have other uses for it.
Hey guys, we hope you love our nail videos. Comment below and let us know what you want to see next. To see more, go right over here. To subscribe to our channel, head right over here.